Welcome back. It's we're with me, AmfigourousGO, and it's gonna be today's topic is gonna be HTML. So that's hypertext markup language for short. I mean, for in the long version, it's called hypertext markup language, and we're gonna learn how to make, use, and pretty much like what's like really good about it. So, and it'll take about 4 to 5 videos to finish this sort of thing because of it, how like I wanted to show it in a like not too detailed way, but like a website way, because like one page online is called a web page. So let's just get to it. So I'm using Windows here. They won't work with Mac, but there'll be like some notepad or something, and also because we've been like we're gonna use a website which is like for all of the devices. So if this is now going on Brave. Brave is actually a good website for ad blockers and stuff. Okay, that wasn't necessary. So we're gonna go to glitch.com where it makes your web page public. Okay, so glitch.com, it's you can make a lot of stuff like apps. I don't know another one, and web pages. But anyway, let's just log in onto it. You can use your any of the logins shown. And you can pause the video if you like want to see the types of login. So I'm using Google because I have it. And also, like how to say, when you log on to it, it won't always have. It won't really have sort of. No. So I'm just logging in. Yeah. Made a mistake. So we've logged in. Once you've logged in, it'll come up with something like this. So you can pause the video if you want to see how it looks already. So, okay. So it's now gonna load like this. I already made one here. So I'm gonna use one as example. Well, this one wasn't actually a project, but I might use this as an example. So it comes, you can upgrade to the glitch member if you want, as it'll give like this stuff I highlighted, it'll give these features, but the free version is just as good, so we're sticking to it. So when you do a new project, you should always do like, it'll come with a HTML. So I'll just show you. So when you do a new project, you have to do hello web page. And it's this project hours, was it 3? I think so. And then this was edited today, that was edited later. So we're gonna take now a new one. So it'll be named something like completely random, like luxuriant tough hexagon or names like that. So what you're gonna do is, you don't need readme.md, which is not like what we're gonna use today. And only the ones we're going to use today is the index HTML, and we'll be coming to style.css, which is cascading style sheet, a bit later in my other videos. And we're not going to use JavaScript. And if you want to upload images, use assets, I'll be showing. So what you're going to do is, it's not like, this is the pretty much basic format. So you got to do first, you got to put HTML first, and yeah, and then it'll come with something here, and then you have to put the body for. So for example, like if we go to, no, not here, if we just open another glitch tab, I'll just show you an example. It will say all the elements. So I'm gonna sort of, okay, wait, what? Let's log in it. Is it logged in? Oh, okay, it's logged in. So I made a website a bit earlier in the week. So this is the one I made a bit early in the week. So as I was saying, it comes this, and this, for example. So when you make a web page, we're gonna try and not like waste the time. So sometimes you gotta like copy the things and then edit, because it depends how you like to do it. So I'm gonna just explain. I'll copy and paste and explain what you gotta do. So let me just delete this. So that's how it looks for my old one. And basically the HTML, you have to start with HTML and these greater than sign and less than sign. I'm not sure, they're confused. Then you got the heading there, and then you have to type in the title highlighted. I've highlighted my trip to well, it can be your title. You just type it in the middle. So I'm not going to do that because I already did that before. And once you're done, you press the format my file button, which is over here. So you gotta, I'll write, for example, I don't know, let's see, I don't know, like probably Brave, I don't know, because it's just the example I'm showing, and you can modify it any way you want. So then you've got the title is just Brave browser, and so that's the title. And then when you always finish to the title, you have to put a slash title tag in the little greater than and less than signs. So now once you've done that, you can format it. So it'll do something like this. Now it's formatted. And also when you do something wrong, there'll be like a red dot and it'll say some line is not formatted. So now we're gonna leave this part out. We're gonna not use it, this link rel equals style sheet part, because that's for style CSS. So we're gonna remove this. Okay, whoops. But we're gonna, let's see, I think we'll leave it because it's gonna be used later. So you don't have to just pay attention to the HTML, that's the main part here. So then we have to finish with the closing slash head tag in the greater than less than signs. Now we come to the body, which is this, you have to just type it like that. Oh wow, whoops. Okay, so it's gonna be like that, highlighted in yellow. Now you're gonna do it's like a subheading. So you have to type it in H1 and then slash H1. So let's write for the subheading why Brave is so no, not so good, that's so cheesy. Why Brave is very I don't know, good for searching. I can't think for anything. For browsing privately. Okay, so now we're going to finish it with the tag, obviously. So this, you can also leave this out. Don't pay attention to it. It's just gonna be explained later. Okay, so this is where everything comes. So you can